Good morning children. Today in this video we will continue with chapter 8, open page number 68, traffic symbols. Children, you might have seen traffic light in many places. Follow traffic signals properly. Whenever we are traveling in a road, we should follow traffic signals properly. In a traffic light, there are three color light: red, yellow, green. When the traffic light is red, it means we should stop the vehicle. When the traffic light is yellow, means we should slow down. And when it is green, it means we should go. There are also many traffic symbols which we see on a road. See, here are some traffic signs or road signs and signals. Like this only, there are so many symbols in the road which guide us about traveling in road. See here, Garrett Morgan invented the first traffic light in 1923. First traffic light was invented in 1923 by Garrett Morgan. In 2015 in India, more than 1300 accidents took place every day. And this traffic light and road signals, or we can say these traffic signals, helps to prevent these road accidents. Different road signs tell us how to behave while traveling by road. These road signs tell us how to travel by road. For example, you can see a cross mark on horn. Here sometimes you can see while traveling there is a sign in which there is a picture of horn and there is a cross mark over that horn. It means we should not blow horn in such areas. Sometimes we can see a sign with the letter P. There is a sign with letter P and there is a cross over that P. It means we cannot park our cars there. See, stop over. What do the following road signs means? Here are some road signs. You have to search it. You have to do it by your own in your SST book. Now come to page number 69. First aid and emergency numbers. Children, sometimes after following so many rules, after keeping ourselves so secure, accident take place. At that time, we have to give the first aid, which means the first treatment to that person who is hurt to prevent his life. Despite following all the rules at home, school or on road, accidents do take place. After we are following so many rules at home, school or roads, sometimes accidents do take place. Sometimes people also get hurt in this accident and people get hurt in these road accidents. If we see that someone is injured, we should give them first aid immediately. And if we are there and if we have seen someone injured, we should immediately give them the first aid. First aid is help given to a person who has been hurt or is suddenly taken ill. First aid is the immediate help or treatment that we give to the injured person or sick person immediately. First aid can sometimes save a person's life, but more often it is help given in an everyday accident or illness. First aid also help us to save someone's life. A first aid kit has all the important things that one need during a medical emergency. You all must have first aid kit at your home also, and if you are not having, then also children, you should keep first aid kit at your home, which consists of antiseptic lotion, Dettol, cotton, bandage, etc. Because whenever someone is ill or someone is injured, till then when someone has not gotten expert medical treatment, we can help them with that first aid kit to save his life. Follow the following first aid rules. There are some rules for giving first aid to a injured or sick person. One by one we will see. Before you do anything to help your friend, make sure that it is safe for you to help. Without knowledge of anything, we should not help anyone. If your friend is injured or sick, you should help them. It's a very good thing. But if you know the correct way to help them, then only you should take an initiative to help your friend. If your friend is in a dangerous place, like the middle of the road, if he or she has fallen off a bike, then move them to a safer place. Do not move a person who may have a bad injury. If any one of your friend has fallen in the middle of the road, he met with an accident. First of all, before giving the first aid treatment, you should take him to a corner of the road. And if someone is very badly injured, then you should not move that person because it may harm. Next, find out if your friend is awake and able to talk to you. Then you see the person who is injured is well aware that he can awake and able to talk or not. Immediately call out to the person, tap the face or shoulder gently and ask him what happened and where it hurts. Next, ask someone to help you. If there is someone around you, ask him or her to help you, or get someone to dial 102. It is a emergency number for ambulance while you are helping that person in a first aid. Pressure on the bleeding wound is usually enough to stop the flow of blood. Pressure on the wound which is bleeding, it will help to stop the flow of blood. Then use that first aid kit. Use an antiseptic lotion. Antiseptic lotion means the lotion which helps to prevent the growth of bacteria or germs. Use an antiseptic lotion to clean the wound. Then tie a bandage on the wound. Next, if the clothes catch fire, put out fire immediately by stopping, dropping and rolling. If someone is there who catches fire, put out the fire immediately. If outdoors, this is something that works better on grass than it does on tiles. And if it is outdoor place, it will be better on grass. Next, in case of burns, place the burnt part under cold running water or ice. If someone has a burning issue, immediately put under cold running water or ice. Then apply an anti-burn lotion if available. So children, these are the rules of first aid. Dial the following numbers in case of emergency. These are the some emergency number. Like if you want to call police, dial 100 from your phone. If you want to call ambulance, 102. If you want to call fire brigadier, 101. Disaster management, 108. So children, go through all the rules, emergency numbers, and in page number 68, write the meaning of these road signs. Okay.